Are you wondering what to do with that Raspberry Pi you bought? This tiny yet powerful device can do so much. From serving as a desktop computer to hosting a radio station, the possibilities are endless. Let's explore some fantastic projects you can tackle with your Raspberry Pi. First, use your Raspberry Pi as a desktop PC. The later models, especially the Raspberry Pi 400, come with increased CPU speeds and RAM. It even integrates into a keyboard for a seamless experience. Pair it with wireless networks and Bluetooth, and you're ready to boost productivity with operating systems like Raspberry Pi OS and Ubuntu. Next, transform an older printer into a wireless one. Using Samba file sharing and CUPS print software, you can give new life to your old printer. This setup provides print access to all computers on your network, along with AirPrint support for iPhone and Android devices. Another exciting use is setting up a Kodi media center. You can enjoy movies and shows by installing Kodi on your Raspberry Pi. It fits perfectly with retro gaming systems too. Remember to install only safe and legal add-ons from official Kodi repositories. Would you like to relive classic video games? Build a Raspberry Pi retro gaming machine. Whether for an arcade cabinet or a handheld device, you can emulate a variety of classic gaming platforms using different operating systems. How about hosting a Minecraft game server? With your Raspberry Pi, you can create a server for online multiplayer gameplay, whether among friends at home or online. Many other network games like Quake and Civilization can also be set up on your Pi. Unleash your creativity by building a stop-motion camera. Using Python and a proper mount, you can create stunning animations. Stop motion requires patience, but the results can be fantastic. Another fun project is making a time-lapse video. Use a Raspberry Pi camera with a unique Python script to capture breathtaking time-lapse footage. The subjects are endless: flowers, buildings, or even clouds. Did you know you can broadcast your own FM radio station? Yes, the Raspberry Pi can transmit audio over short distances. It's perfect for events or communities without internet access. Just remember, you'll need some soldering skills to get started. Your Raspberry Pi can also act as a web server. Host a personal website or blog with either static or dynamic content. Install Apache, and set up a LAMP stack for advanced features. Plus, tools like WordPress can make it even easier to manage your site. Lastly, set up an audiobook library using your Raspberry Pi. With Audiobook Shelf, you can self-host an audiobook server accessible from anywhere. Enjoy your favorite books or podcasts on any device with a browser. In summary, the Raspberry Pi is a versatile device perfect for numerous projects, from desktop replacement to media centers. Don't let yours sit unused. Explore these exciting options today. Ready to start your Raspberry Pi journey?